Hello students, today we will discuss how to open multiple windows on your worksheets. This is the one window you are that is displaying in front of you. If you want to open the multiple windows on your screen, you just go to View tab. You're having the option of New Window. When you click it, the new window will be opened. Again, go to View, press New Window. You again go to View, press New Window. 4 new windows are opened on your screen. When you minimize them, you can have the look on them. Look, there's the one window, the second one, the third one, and that is the fourth one. So you are having 4 windows in front of you. Now there is an option in the View tab to arrange all. When you press that, you are having 4 titles, that is titled. You want to arrange them by your title, you want to arrange them horizontally or you want to arrange them vertically, and you want to arrange them by cascade. That is what is cascade? When you select this button, Excel arrange and size the windows so that they overlap on one another with only their title bars showing. This is the option to select them layer by layer. So we have chosen the vertical. You just press OK, then all the windows are arranged vertically. Look, this is showing off 4 windows. They are having their individual ribbons, they are having their individual status bars, they are having their scroll bars. So you can work on different sheets on a single screen. It will make your work better. You can work on different sheets on the single screen. Like I have chosen here sheet 2. It is a sheet 2 which is open. It is sheet 1. Here you can open the third sheet. Here you can open the 4 sheets. So you can work on 4 sheets on a single screen. So this is a very good feature to work fast. Just minimize it. Look, sheet 3, 1. So this is all about to open the windows on your worksheet. Thank you.